In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to easily log into your fuboTV account on your Roku, Apple TV, and Amazon Fire TV. Follow these simple instructions to start streaming your favorite channels right away. Step 1. Install the fuboTV app. Roku. From the Roku home screen, scroll to Streaming Channels. Select Search Channels and type in fuboTV. Choose the fuboTV app and click Add Channel. Apple TV. Go to the App Store from the Apple TV home screen. Search for fuboTV using the search bar. Select the fuboTV app and click Get to install. Amazon Fire TV. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to the search bar. Type in fuboTV and select the app from the search results. Click Get to install the fuboTV app. Step 2. Open the fuboTV app. Once the app is installed on your device, launch the fuboTV app from the home screen or app menu. Step 3. Log into your fuboTV account. Roku. On the main screen of the fuboTV app, click Login. Enter your fuboTV credentials, email and password, using the on-screen keyboard. Click Sign In to access your account. Apple TV. On the fuboTV welcome screen, select Login. Enter your email address and password. Press Login to complete the process. Amazon Fire TV. Open the fuboTV app and click on Sign In. Enter your fuboTV login credentials. Hit Login to start watching. Step 4. Troubleshooting login issues. If you experience any issues logging in, forgot your password? Click on Forgot Password on the login screen to reset it. Account not found? Double-check that you are entering the correct email and password associated with your fuboTV subscription. Step 5. Start watching fuboTV. Once you're logged in, you can begin browsing all of fuboTV's available channels and content. Enjoy a variety of sports, news, entertainment, and more. If you encounter any other issues, visit the fuboTV support page for further assistance or reach out to customer service. Happy streaming! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips on using your favorite streaming services.